Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah, you don't have a
you're right.
database, bro. That's all it is. I assumed you
You're
had a
right.
database.
Nah.
Yeah, you don't have a database, bro.
I hadn't gotten to that stage yet. So
Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Man, we did all this. You had a database? Of course. You're not gonna connect, bro.
okay.
Yeah,
So
you got
install the database and I should be good, right?
yeah, just type DBCA, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then just call your database ORCL, hit next. Just go through project 5, right? It's simple. Go to project 5 video. You should, bro. It takes you should be able to create a database in I don't know, 15 seconds, bro. Right?
Yeah, I was able to do that. Yeah,
Yeah.
under a minute,
Yeah, real
but
simple. It's just looking for a database, bro. That's it.
okay.
Yeah, that's
Cool.
it. All you need is a database. And that SP file is going to be created for you and all that good stuff. You got no problem.
Okay.
See, when you
All
get that
right.
issue, right, it's basically saying, bro, I can't find your SP file, and I for damn sure can't find your P file.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm done. I can't help you. That's what Oracle is telling you. Can't find your
Right.
SP file, and it can't find your P file. So I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, and the text message that I sent you to the
Yes.
other number,
Say that
I
again?
did tell you the text message that I sent you with the screenshots to the other number before you gave me the new number. I
Oh,
told you that I couldn't find my SB file.
see, I didn't see that. Oh,
Yeah,
if I would have seen that, oh, I would have. Yeah. I didn't even know you did have a database. Honestly.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's been a while. I'm just trying to get back into it
I
now
hear you, man. Like,
and
hey,
refresh myself.
yeah, it's fine, man. You're doing great, man. Like these little things right here. It's what's gonna get you, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's gonna get you set. You see what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
you're good to go. You know what I'm saying? Like all these. Hold on, no, give me 1 second. Who's in here? Okay, yeah. So all these. Oh, let me admit, Mr. Matthew. Okay, so all these little things that we're going through, it just makes you like know like the steps that you're gonna have to take. So for instance, now, like in the future, you're not gonna have no issue as far as okay, what to look for.
Mm-hmm.
See what I'm saying? First, okay,
Yeah.
do you have a database? First of all, if you don't have an SP file, forget about it. You got nothing. Then you check your batch profile, then you check your ATCR tab, then you check all these other things, right? You see what I'm saying? So these are little things. Actually, the first thing that we should have done, I should have told you to, you should have just grepped for PMON. Right? You should have just grepped for PMON, right? I don't know. But I just assumed you had a database, right? But if you just do PS and then you grep and you do PMON, just do like this. Is everybody looking at this?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Guys, if you see this, right? You see, look, there's nothing right here. You just see color equals auto PMON, right? There's nothing there, right? But now watch this.
Right.
When I log into my database, see, everybody got to pay attention to this. Watch.
What is this to do? I'm sorry, I missed the first part.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to tell you right now, right? So give me 1 second. So if I exit, if I grep for PMON again, still nothing, right? So now I'm gonna come back in here. I'm just gonna do startup. Right? I just want to show you guys this, right? Okay, so you see it's read all the parameters, it's getting ready to mount the database, and it's getting ready to open, right? So everybody can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now, if I come over here and I open up a new tab, now watch this. If I do PS, EF, and I grep PMON, C, you see, guys, you see this right here? Guys,
Yeah.
you see this? You see this first line, right? aura underscore pmon underscore your database name. You see that?
Yeah.
If you have a working database, listen, you got to get this part right. You got to get it right. Listen, if you have a working database and you grep for pmon, you're going to see it. What is pmon, right? What does that do? Somebody tell me. Mr. Matthew, what's pmon? Tell me right now.
Isn't it to check to see which data working? If you wanted to kill if you wanted to kill a process, is this what it is?
No. See, you have your SMON, you have your PMON, right? Your PMON is process monitor, right? So watch this.
Yeah.
Listen. Anytime you start an instance, right? Listen. A part of your PGA is allocated to your instance, to you. A part of it is given to you. Once the database is started, the instance, once the database is started, right? It's like, think of it like this, right? When you grep for PMON, right? You're trying to see if this database has a pulse. Does that make sense?
Yes.
If there ain't no pulse, ain't nothing, bro. It's dead, right? So if it has a pulse, then you know that, okay, this is a working database. It's real. But if you grep for PMON, I mean, you don't see anything, you ain't got no database, bro. Then you start doing the digging. See what I'm saying? What? If people are saying, oh, no, bro, we have this database on this server for sure. Okay, no problem. Fine, grep for PMON. Before you even start digging anything, grep for PMON. Right? That's if the database is up now. If the database is up, they say, no, the database is up. You know what I'm saying? If the database, or put it this way, if the database is at least started, if the database is at least started, if you grep for PMON, the database has a pulse. Then that means, okay, it's legit. That means you definitely have an SP file. Make sense?
So if so like before, like I was having problems with the other database and I just had to create a new one. If I wanted to kill the process, is this where I will go to kill the process?
No need to kill it. Yeah, but there's no need for you to kill it. You see what I'm saying?
Wow.
Yes, this is what you would, right here. You see this guy right here?
That number, yeah.
Yes, that's what you use to kill it. You see what I'm saying? But there's no need to kill it. You want to grep for PMON to see whether this database is alive.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what you want to do. Before you even do anything else, before you look at your bash profile, before you look at your ATC about all that, grep for PMON first. If you're sure that this database exists, but if you're not seeing anything, then you start digging. Start looking, okay, do you have an SP file? Does this database exist? Does it Make sense?
Yeah.
Mr. Thomas, does that make sense?
Yes, sir, it does.
Beautiful. So, Mr. Thomas, all you got to do now is just what you call it? All you have to do is just create a database, and you're good to go.
I'm halfway through.
Beautiful, right? So once you create your database, as long as you created it as ORCL, you didn't change it, you're fine. Is it creating?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you understand? Yeah. So once you're in, just do SQL Plus, and then you should be straight. No problem. Moving forward. Yeah, no problem. You should be good. It's just gonna find your database. That's all. Then once your database is created, go ahead and grep for PMON. You'll see it. It's gonna come up. You'll see it right here. It'll come up. Right here. This is what you want to see. Aura underscore PMON, and then whatever your database name is. So if you have 10 different databases, right, you're gonna have 10 different PMON sessions, all underneath each other. Right? So the way it works is another way that you can see if a database is up is if you okay, maybe this is a decent way for me to explain it, right? If I want to know if a server, if a box is up, right, I ping it, right? That just lets me know whether or not it's alive. Can I even get to this box? If I can get to it, if I can ping and it's giving me a response back, okay, that's good. It's kind of the same thing when you grep for PMON. You just want to see whether or not it's alive, whether it's there or not. Make sense? So what I need you to understand now, Mr. Thomas, is this, right? Just because you have in your bash profile, Oracle underscore SID equals ORCL, means nothing, right?
Mhm.
It means nothing. Does that make sense? It means nothing.
Yeah.
Because that's a static file. It's not going to
Mhm.
delete itself or update itself. No, you got to do that.
Mm.
Right? But what counts is, do you have an SP file? Right? And when you grep for PMON, do you see it? If those two things are checked, then you're good to
Then
go.
you know, yeah.
Yes, sir. All right. Any more questions? Any more questions? Good job, Mr. Thomas. Good job. This is a good learning experience, right?
Absolutely. It's getting
Beautiful.
me all the way back into it.
Beautiful.
I'm
Beautiful.
excited. I'm
Beautiful.
excited.
Beautiful. Guys, do your projects, keep doing it. Put your head down and just keep working, keep working. I'll send the link to the to today's class, and I'll put it on the on the channel on YouTube, so you guys can, you know, revert back to it if need be. It's going to be, I don't think I recorded this past session. I forgot to hit record. That's fine. But so it'll be number one and this one, what I just went over. So you guys, if you want to rewatch it, you guys can. But guys, hey, listen, stay focused, keep doing your work, right? The jobs are out there, the jobs are there. You know what I mean? But if you guys having any issues, just post it in the group. We got like 3 more people in class now. Right? Actually, we're gonna have 4 people coming up next month that just joined the course, right? So they're gonna be asking a lot of questions. So guys, try to pitch in. Mr. Matthew, Mr. Tom, all you guys, right? All you guys pitch in, just answer the questions. If you see that I'm not answering the questions, then just pitch in, right? The more you help somebody learn, the faster you learn, right? So, but anyway, any more questions?
Can you briefly go over how to patch the database?
How to patch the database?
Yeah, it was part of Project 8 in the critical patch application. And you want us to, it says you have to use patch to patch your database, and then after patching your data, you want us to run us the post patch script.
Then do it. You just do it, bro. I gave you the script, right?
The script.
You saw the video, right?
What it was, VIRman script or something.
See, the patching is simple, right? Like there's the CPU patch and all that, right? You got to use OPatch, right?
Yeah.
Now those patches are expired, or they're you know, they're out of date. But the point is for you guys to just know how to do it, right? Just go through the steps. If you get an error, that's fine. Just right now, a lot of these things are automated now. Patching all that shit's automated, bro. You know what I mean? So but you do kind of need to be able to walk through it. And chances are it's not going to be you that's going to be doing the patching, right? It's probably going to be somebody else on the team that's going to do it, or it's just depending on what environment, the way everything is set up. If they're on AWS, then all that shit is patched up, bro. You only have to worry about that.
Okay.
But just real quick, as far as OPatch is concerned, what you basically want to do is you want to read the README file, right? Yeah, I explain all that. Go into the README file, go in there. When you go into README file, you go to section 3.1.1. You scroll down, it tells you exactly what to do. Literally exactly what to do. Just step for step. Copy this, paste it. Copy this, paste it. Then it's going to give you all the patches that you need. OPatch and apply. Then it depends on if you do and apply, then you're going to do all the patches at one. But a lot of DBAs, what they used to do is they do one patch at a time. So OPatch apply, you put that patch binary, directory, whatever, press that, press enter. Let that run. Do it again. OPatch apply. Do the second one. Let that run. The reason why you're doing one at a time is simply because you just want to be able to, if there's any patch that's giving you an issue, you can always roll it back, right? Just do OPatch rollback, real simple, right? It's not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. Make sense, right?
Yeah.
But if you ain't got time, look, bro, on the weekend, just do OPatch and apply, just fucking do it, right? and
Yeah.
you ought to do it. You ought to just do it. But guys, right now, like those things are done. Like
But certain patches they get done quarterly. They don't do it all the time though, right?
exactly. Some companies they do it like twice a year. It's not even. It's not an important metric for your job. It's not really that serious. It's really not. Just read it. It's literally read your README. It's something that you got to do on the weekend anyway because you got to shut down the server. You got to make time for this shit. But they also have rolling patches and all that, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I get it. You know what I'm saying? But that's advanced. But the point I'm trying to make is, yeah, it's not really something that I would trouble yourself about knowing. What you really got to know is you got to know that project 1 through 7, 9. You got to do 12C, container databases, pluggable database. You got to do all that bullshit. Yep, you got to do all that. You guys are not even at container databases yet. Oh, have fun with that. You're gonna have fun with that, right? So, and then you guys got to get into the AWS. Okay, right. So there's still work to be done.
Yeah.
And Mr. Zachariah sent you guys that stuff, right? Listen, you guys got to get that advanced course.
Yeah, I may have to do that one.
I'm telling you, hey, Mr. Zachariah, he showed you guys. He showed you guys like they're not really. Hey, if you're just a core DBA, that shit don't fly no more, bro. You got to have some meat behind your resume. They're not playing games. They're not playing these fucking. I was getting ready to say some halfway racist, whatever, right? But I
I already know.
I ain't gonna say that shit, right? But man, bro, my Indian brothers, right?
Yeah,
I love y'all, but man, they're fucking it up for everybody, man. And they're just fucking, bro. They're just taking over, bro. So you got to take over with them. You feel me? You know what I mean, so it is what it is.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah, no, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Beautiful. So don't dwell too hard on the old patch. I just really want you to know how to do it, because chances are they're not really gonna ask you about old patch on the interviews. No, not really. They're gonna ask you like the core questions, guys. You guys haven't even, if you do take the advanced class, we haven't even gotten to rack. Oh my god, that's a whole nother thing. That's a whole nother thing. We haven't
so you also have like another course with rack, just like this the database, but just separate.
Yes.
Well, okay.
Yeah, another class like this for rack, for data guard, for Golden Gate. Man, I got a class for everything, man. Come on, man.
Was it live class or is it just like the step by step?
Live class, baby.
That would be a live class?
Yes, sir. Wait. Oh. As in, yeah, the way you've been watching the class, no different.
Oh, okay.
Live students and all that. I show you everything. Yes, sir.
Okay. And how much was that going for?
1,500.
1,500, and that should be about. It should take 2 weeks to.
Yeah, it should only take you about 2 weeks for that one.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm actually gonna add Golden Gate to that as well. That's above and beyond. But
yeah,
I might add Golden Gate to it, just so you guys are just whatever. I already got the videos set. Golden Gate itself has like I think I recorded I don't know like 100 videos or something. I don't know, bro. I just create videos. I don't know.
100 videos for the Golden Gate?
I don't know, man. It's a lot, bro. I don't know. I don't know. I try to give y'all some value, bro. What do you want from me? It is what it is. Right? I recorded once. I don't ever want to do it again.
Right.
I record one time, so I don't ever have to do it again. So if I'm gonna record it, I'm gonna make you suffer.
Right.
I'm gonna make you suffer too. Watch that shit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, but I'll add Golden Gate to it. I think I will actually. I think I'm not sure. We'll see. But rack and data guard a must. Gotta have that.
Right.
Gotta have that.
Yeah, I think I might have to consider doing that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like it's just so that you can be more competitive.
Yeah.
Because other people that are applying for these jobs, this is what they have. They have the stuff on their resume, bro.
Yeah.
You have it. So, all right. Anybody else have any questions? Anybody? Mrs. Zachariah?
No question. I gotta finish my project 4 and 5 before I ask question.
No problem, sir. And then you can contact me. You can contact me for the other stuff too.
For that, okay, no problem. I will.
Mr. Thomas, you good?
Very good. I'm in. I'm
Beautiful.
in now.
Beautiful, sir. Beautiful, beautiful. Mr. Matthew, you good too, right?
For now, I'm just
Okay.
gonna try not to mess up my database again, man.
Beautiful, beautiful. But if you have issues, yeah, just reach out to me. I got you.
Okay. I may know somebody that wants to probably take this course, but they don't live in Maryland.
That's fine. I ship them the laptop. No problem.
Okay. They live in North Carolina.
And I ship them the laptop. No problem. They ain't got no excuse.
Yeah. So I'm
When they
going
trying to start?
he wants to start maybe as soon as possible. He just had a baby. It's my little cousin.
Oh, yeah, he need to get that money.
Yeah, so he he's focused financially. I don't know, but he's a young boy. He's like only 22.
Oh, beautiful. That's good. Because listen, it's best for him to start while you're in the program, so he can be in class with you.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that?
Yeah, no, that's true. That's true.
Yeah, so you guys can, because he's gonna ask questions, right? So you guys, so he can team up with you, and while everybody's here, like, hey, the sooner the better, man.
Yeah.
Just let him contact me, and I'll give you a little reward because you recommended him.
Yeah.
I'll send you something as well with Cash App or whatever it is.
Okay.
But hey, he just got to sign up, and once he signs up, he pays. You get your little cut, bro.
Okay. Cool.
Sure.
I'm gonna talk to him, see where his head is at, man.
Yeah, let me know and send me the text. Send me the text tomorrow and let me know what he's talking about.
Okay.
But it's best for him to do it while you're in the course.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
All right. If nobody has any more questions, going once, going twice. Nobody? Okay. All right, guys, do your work, do your projects, keep pushing, and I will talk to you guys next week, hopefully.
All right, man. Take care, y'all.
All right, guys.
All right.
And guys, with the new guys that are coming, if you don't mind, if they have any questions, just pitch in. If I don't see it, just pitch in, just throw in your 2 cents, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
All right, guys.
All right.
All right.